Hey guys, my name is Abhishek and welcome to my channel ILM Maths. Today in this video we are going to start with exercise 5.3 of Arithmetic Progressions class 10th NCERT. I hope you have watched my earlier videos. The last video we had discussed the basic concepts and we had solved the examples related to this exercise. Okay, so let us now start with exercise 5.3, question number 1. So find the sum of the following APs. The first question, first part, it's a direct question. It says the AP is given. So I'll first write down the AP 2, 7, 12 up to 20 terms. So it's up to 20 terms. So up to 20 terms, up to 10 terms. Okay, so when they say up to 10 terms, that means n value is 10. Don't take this thing as a n value. Okay, it obviously means up to n terms means n value is 10. The first term a value is 2. The common difference 7 minus 2 gives you 5. So the question is find the sum of this sequence up to 10 terms, meaning S10 we are supposed to find. So S10 using the formula. So these are the three formulas we had learned in the last class. This one, and this one. These two are one and the same, just a denotation of nth term we denoted by L as well last term. Okay, so here in this question, S10 we know in this formula n value is 10, a value and d value. We know all the three values. So just a substitution and simplifying. So 10 by 2, 2a, so 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 into common difference is 5. We simplify. So 5 into 4 and 45 will give you 49. So 5 into 49 will give you 245. So that's the answer for the first part. Okay, next, second part. The AP given minus 37, minus 33, minus and 29. Up to how many terms? 12 terms. So up to 12 terms. So when they say up to 12 terms, meaning n is 12, the first term is minus 37 in this sequence. The common difference value is minus 33 minus 37. Common difference is minus 33 minus the previous term, which is minus 37. So that will give you plus 37 minus 33 as 4. It's very important that you're doing succeeding term minus the preceding term to find the common difference. Okay, you can choose any two consecutive terms, this one or even you can choose this one. So when you're choosing these two consecutive terms, minus 29 minus of minus 33, that is still going to give you common difference as 4. So we know all the three values a, d and n. We substitute in this formula. So S12, that is what the question is asking, is 12 by 2, 2a. So a value is a negative, so I put a bracket here, 2a, plus n minus 1, so 12 minus 1 is 11, the common difference is 4. We simplify, so this is 6, this is going to give you minus 74, and this is plus 44. We simplify, this is going to give you minus 30 into 6 is minus 180. Okay, so this is the sum of the first 12 terms in this sequence. So the third part, the AP given here is 0.6, 1.7 and 2.8 up to 100 terms. Up to 100 terms. So that means when they give you up to 100 terms, the number of terms are 100. In this AP, 0.6, 1.7 and so on, the first term is 0.6. The common difference is 1.7 minus 0.6, which is 1.1. Okay, so you're supposed to find S100. S100 is using the formula n value is 100 by 100, so 100 by 2, 2a. So 2 into a is 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into d, which is 99 into the common difference value is 1.1. So we simplify 50 into 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. 99 into 1.1. So 9999. So we get 108.9. So 1.2 and 108.9, 109.9, 110.1. So 50 into 110.1. So 50 into 110.5 after multiplication will give you 5505. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. So the next part, fourth part. The AP given 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, up to how many terms? 11. So this is up to 11 terms. So when they say up to 11 terms, n becomes 11. The first term a is 1 by 15. Common difference value is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So 12 and 15, we will take the LCM. So 12 and 15, 2, 6, 15, 2, 3, 15, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1. So the normal LCM, 4, 12, 60. So that will give you 60 here. 60 by 12 into this, 60 by 15 is 4, 4 into 1. So that will give you 1 by 60 as the common difference value. So we know A, we know common difference, we know N. So we can now find S11. So S11, how do we find? We substitute A, D and N values in this formula. So 11 by 2, 2A. So 2 into A value is 1 by 15. Plus N minus 1. So 11 minus 1 is 10 into the common difference value is 1 by 60. We simplify. So we get 11 by 2. This is 2 into 1 by 15. So which is 2 by 15. Plus 10 by 60, so 0, 0 cancels out. So you're left with just 1 by 6. Okay, so we simplify. 11 by 2, no cancellation. 15 and 6, if you do the LCM, you will get the LCM as 30. So 30 by 15 is 2. 2 into the numerator will give you 4. Plus 30 by 6 is 5. 5 into the numerator is this. So this is just the normal LCM. I hope you know it. So 11 by 2, we multiply with, it's 9 by 30. Okay, so this is what we have here. Here we look for any cancellation. So this is 3 and this is 10. So no more cancellation. So our final answer is 33 by 20. So this is the sum of the first 11 terms of the given AP. Okay.